for as long as I could remember. I've always wanted to create. This video has taken me so long to get out that within the span that it's taken to film and edit this video, I completely scrapped the first version of it and the first version of the web shooter and made a smaller, more compact, and better version. But this is what the original web shooter for this video looked like. So, yeah, I was not satisfied with that design or build of the web shooters. I thought it was a little bit too clunky, so I scrapped the entire design and I made new ones. And this is how that went.
Damn it, damn it!
Where you at? Give me something now!
Third time this week.
Ow!
Hey Miles, what's up?
Hey man,
Of course I'm coming.
doing it down in that zone.
You gotta be kidding me.
Shake it!
So,
Yeah.
Shake it! Shake it! Hey! That funk! Loose!
There's always been web shooters and toys to play with as a child that we've all experienced, whether it be the silly string ones or metallic or magnet, or even some of the newer TikTok shop or lighter fluid ones. My goal is to create something I've never seen done. And I think, in my opinion, I've done that. After a lot of trials and tribulations, I set out to make something that was smaller than what you usually get out of toy web shooters, more compact, easily refillable, and actually look and felt like having a watch-shaped web shooter, just like in the Amazing Spider-Man movies. But before we got to that design, we went through, I'll say, more than a couple of failures. And from those failures came a lot of ideas, but I ended up changing my mind ultimately and completely starting from scratch, still keeping the design of wanting to have a watch like from the Amazing Spider-Man 1, but not using a pressurized system. Originally, what you're seeing me do now is make a fluid-like substance, which I cannot tell you all I was mixing for safety reasons. Also, don't try this at home. But I would make the fluid, fill up the cartridge in the web shooter that I made. It's not able to come out, and then I would pressurize it with something of which I'm also not going to tell you what I used to pressurize it with. It ended up working, but I thought it was a little bit too hard to constantly refill the pressurized cartridge. And this is where we come to our crossroads. At this point, I failed making the web shooter 3 times, made one successfully that worked the way I wanted to, but thought it was too big, and I just took a little bit of time off. But when I came back, zoned in, and I finished it. If you guys enjoyed seeing more of the engineering side of my brain on the channel, and you want to see me build more things or make more things that are you guys' ideas or my ideas, let me know down in the comment section. Just drop your ideas. Let me know if you enjoyed this web shooter. Also, I'm going to leave a link down in the description to an Etsy page if you would like to buy a web shooter. They're gonna be up there at some point. I'm not sure if they will be when this video's up. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Hey!